Forward, Tom. Hi, Tom. Where are we?
We're at the Effingham Bonfire night.
Yeah. What happens?
Well,
What do we?
there's a massive bonfire just over there.
Yeah. And what do we do? How did we light it?
By setting fire to torches of wax and
Yeah.
weave and wool.
Yeah.
And we marched all the way around the field and chucked it.
Okay. Should we take a look at them?
Yeah?
Whoa.
It is hot.
Right. So we've got lots of torches all kind of in there, and one official.
Actually,
There's Grandpa. Roasting nicely. There's Mummy.
Hi.
And there's
Izzy with, us
Izzy with sparkly ears. Yeah.
Daddy's are meeting us here, so let's wait.
What do you think of the bonfire is?
It's rubbish. They're burning the rubbish.
Okay. Okay, Tom, what are we going to do next?
Well, we're going to march back.
Okay. We're going to go and see the fireworks, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.